Hello friends, welcome to Shivani Tutorials. Today I will show you a very beautiful and easy mehndi design for hands. Start your mehndi design from the wrist area by making slanting lines. Continue this design by making petals and leaves design. As you can see, now we are making design on the palm. You can continue the design from the wrist itself. Make any curvy shape or decorate it further with beautiful dots. Fill the middle and index finger with some curvy designing. Also, apply some loose mehndi on the tip of the thumb and on all the fingers. In this video, I am sharing the design of Arabic style mehndi. Start making a petal and fill its bottom with mehndi. Now draw some diagonal lines and fill the petal. Make another curvy line touching the petal and give border to it. In the center of your hand, draw a flower in continuation to the petal design. On the left side of the petal, draw some curvy design and connect with the petal. Extend the design towards the index finger by making petals filled with diagonal lines. Now make a half flower down the thumb and extend the design with petal. Fill the petal with mehndi and make another long petal. Draw curvy lines along with petal and fill it with mehndi. Extend the design by making a long and thin petal till your wrist. Fill the petal with diagonal lines. End the design by making a small flower. So here we have our Arabic style mehndi design ready. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and comment. Also, don't forget to subscribe my channel.